Watch it again.
And now Marjorie and RKO. Oh my God!
And his name is John Cena.
Every man for himself.
KO!
There's Rollins with the pedigree.
Oh, what a knee!
His name is John Cena.
Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker.
Nowhere. Cena delivery.
The finishing touches on this match.
Cena delivery.
But a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. Roman Reigns. Oh, RKO by Orton.
Every man for himself.
Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton. And Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton.
Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker.
Lesnar is fading away.